kanila ng smash, and that's what's been happening so far with all of the points. Both sides are taking advantage.
Going against the other team captain, Tugade, with a very immediate overhead. 6 against the Fortress Masters.
I would say both teams have excellent defense, but now Tugade attacking with a misdirection, leaving a big opening at Johnny Arcelia's backhand.
Plus, even yesterday, it appears as though a lot of these players are trying to shoot it up against that opening that's made on Johnny Arcelia's backhand side, given that he has a tendency to shoot down the middle.
Baseline, kaya medyo nahirapan ng i-return to go over the net.
Now Tugade here, playing it against Lira. Beautiful forehand side dinking here. Bringing it towards the backhand side of Arcelia. Arcelia got caught!
Napakadaming hakbang to get to that, but he was able to do it. I think that's the tennis side of him, no?
Yeah,
Being able to pace all throughout the court.
to step on that kitchen line.
Oo. Actually, mahirap yan. Kung sanay ka na malaki yung tinatakbuhan mo, you take bigger strides. This time, you have to make micro strides.
Yeah.
Hindi small micro.
Tugade finding that opening.
Both agile and very dynamic players.
Very technical drop there by Arcelia. Up against his doubles teammate, Ken Unique de la Cruz. They're shoving each other out wide with very aggressive dinks. De la Cruz backing out early, choosing to give it to Boloto.
Oh!
Tugade with a very low ATP up against the legend Johnny Arcelia.